In the past, each knife was forged by the skilled hands of craftsmen. In the flickering light of a forge, pieces of steel were heated until glowing red, then shaped by precise and powerful hammer strikes. It was not merely the creation of a tool, but a harmonious blend of strength, skill, and tradition. Each strike of the hammer and every spark flying from the anvil carried the story of the era, reflecting the dedication and meticulous craftsmanship of the artisan. However, times have changed. The modern world demands precision and mass production on a scale that traditional forging methods cannot meet. Thus, the art of knife making underwent a revolution. Advanced technology gradually replaced ancient techniques, bringing knife production into a new era, where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly to create products of unparalleled perfection.
Preview.
The journey of a knife begins with raw material, specialized steel formulated specifically to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Steel strips are cut and pressed into basic shapes. The section destined to become the bolster is heated for easier shaping, while the blade section, the heart of the knife, remains untouched to preserve its original purity and premium quality. The steel then undergoes a transformative heat treatment where the magic truly begins. Inside the furnace, the steel is heated to nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius, allowing its molecular structure to regenerate. It is then rapidly cooled to below -70 degrees Celsius, a thermal shock that fundamentally strengthens the material, enhancing its durability and resistance to deformation. Finally, the steel is tempered at around 250 degrees Celsius, achieving the perfect balance of hardness, flexibility, and corrosion resistance. The result of this meticulous process is steel under the renowned Frieder brand, unparalleled in sharpness, durability, and timeless strength, ready to meet the most demanding requirements. With the heat-treated steel complete, the next step is shaping. At this stage, the details of the knife begin to emerge. Advanced automated systems perform precision operations, from cutting and shaping the bolster to grinding the blade. Each cut, each edge, is refined to create the knife's distinctive shape, sleek, sharp, and aesthetically pleasing. Once the blade is formed, the handle is meticulously assembled to ensure comfort and durability. For hollow metal handles, the interior is filled with special cement to enhance stability. For handles made from composite materials, heated resin is molded to create an unbreakable bond between the handle and the blade's tang. Every detail, from the joints to the surface finish, is finely crafted to deliver maximum comfort for the user. In the final stage, the knife undergoes its most critical process, sharpening. This is not merely a technical step, but a delicate art form. Experts employ advanced sharpening techniques, beginning with rough grinding to shape the blade and followed by fine honing to achieve an exceptional edge. For Asian-style knives, the blade is ground at a sharper angle and given additional polishing, allowing it to glide effortlessly through food as if slicing through air. Before leaving the factory, each knife is subjected to rigorous inspections. Laser measurements detect even the slightest deviations, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. Finally, the iconic twilling red logo is etched onto each knife, a hallmark of perfection and pride. Once complete, the knife is thoroughly cleaned, elegantly packaged, and prepared to embark on its journey, ready to conquer kitchens around the world. Each knife is not merely a tool, but the culmination of centuries of tradition, modern technology, and unwavering attention to detail. It symbolizes precision, durability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. When you hold it in your hands, you're not just owning a product. You're part of a story, part of a journey that has crafted a masterpiece.